Over the past couple of weeks, I've seen a lot of big creators that I've looked up to that are actually leaving YouTube. Or if they're not leaving entirely, they're doing something like Matt D'Avella is doing and taking a step back, scaling down and just posting less often or taking a break. I've been doing YouTube for like 6 years now, and I just kind of wanted to share my thoughts on this, what my future is going to look like, why I think so many people are leaving YouTube, and yeah, just kind of some of my thoughts on this. First of all, YouTube is the dream job that I never dreamed about. I never wanted to be on camera as a kid. I never had dreams of being a YouTuber like, you know, most kids you ask nowadays. Instead of being anything else, they want to be a YouTuber, they want to be Mr. Beast, they want to be whatever. And I never really wanted to be that, but I did find YouTube was something I loved over the past couple of years. And I think when most people get started, YouTube is something that they love. It is their passion, they're excited about something, and they get so excited that they start making videos about it, and they make better and better videos, they do more and more, they have a couple of them start to do good, and then like, wow, this is so cool, and you start getting, you know, some attention that you've never had before, you start you know, getting better and making things you're proud of, and there's so many like positives, especially at the beginning of YouTube. I feel like the thing is, it can turn into something that you didn't expect it to be very quickly if you're not like conscious of this. When I was at Vid Summit earlier this year, which is like there's a place where like a bunch of creators go, there's Talks, Mr. Beast there, a bunch of other people. I noticed that most people who are doing YouTube are always trying to get that next step up. They never have enough, and they're also like a lot of people trying to do the entertainment thing where they're doing challenge videos or whatever, and I feel like that is a slippery slope as well, but that's not really my niche, so I don't want to talk about it too much. But even for those other people, it's always like, I need to hire my first person, then hire my second one, and then build this bigger team, and then start a business on the side. And then the next thing you know, you're building, and you're not even doing what you love anymore. You're like working yourself out of the thing that you're good at, the thing that you enjoy doing. And that's how I feel like a lot of creators get burned out, because you get all this pressure of success that like, if you build and now you have people who like, their income, their livelihoods depend on you, that's a lot of pressure. That means even if you have enough money, you can't really stop because people lose their jobs. It's like this machine that you built, and then it's hard to get off because the name on the machine is you, it's your face. Like I guess it's like that with a lot of jobs, where if you don't show up, you don't get paid. But I feel like YouTube, it has a lot of pressure for that. And I feel like that's why some people stop YouTube. And that's something that I had kind of gone towards, I think last year and stuff. I was like, I gotta build a bigger business because I see all these other people doing it. And then I actually watched an interview by Casey Neistat, if you don't know who that is. He also pretty much stopped making videos, but he was talking about it's just him that does the videos. He posted like a vlog every single day for years. I forget how many vlogs he did, but he was living his life, editing his own videos. Everything was just him, and that was okay. That was what he loved. And even seeing Matt D'Avella recently talking about getting rid of his team and going back to just him because that's what he enjoys doing. He enjoys the edit, he enjoys stuff. I think that's what a lot of people don't realize. They need to get to that next level where, you know, you want to make $100,000, you want to get to 100,000 subscribers, you want to have 8 people underneath you. It's like, it's okay to have your own version of different things. For some people, if you want to manage people, that's great. For other people, if you want to have one editor, that's fine. If you want to have nobody and edit your own stuff, that's okay. I was actually at a coffee shop this morning, and I ran into somebody who was like, hey, the nightly reset before bed, cleaning up your house for 10 minutes before bed every night, actually like really improved my life. And I was like, that is so cool, that like something I talked about made somebody else's days like less stressful. That is so cool. And I think that's why I love this educational side of YouTube, where I'm trying to always better myself, and I'm sharing ways for other people to better themselves. And like, I don't ever like see it unless I run into people in person, but like, you can actually improve somebody's life on YouTube. You can create the life of your dreams on YouTube. There's no cap to how much you can earn, how much you can make, and you can do it all by yourself, or you can build a giant team. There's so many different ways to improve your life and the lives of like thousands of people. And that's why like, I love it so much. After like 5 years, and last year I was dealing with burnout because I was trying to treat it like a business and make more money and hire more people. And recently I got back to like, I'm gonna do things that I'm excited about. I'm gonna sit here in my office that at like some point I'm gonna fix up and make look pretty nice and put these panels up, and I'm just gonna talk. And I don't have to do crazy edits or have dramatic music. I can just sit here and talk to you. And this is my job. And I'm just feel so blessed. And I wish more people would try this. Because I know a lot of people who wish they had started YouTube channels 5 years ago, and they just never get past that first step. And it's hard. YouTube takes a lot of work, especially at the beginning. I had no idea how to do anything on YouTube, no idea how to edit, do thumbnails, anything. But now I've built those skills. Like I'm just middling at everything, but I love what I do because I feel like I'm actually helping people, which is something I never had in any other jobs that I've had before. And I hope more people will try this. That's why I created a free 7-day YouTube course. Like I'm not like here just to show my stuff, but I created that because I was like, more people should do this. Like my life is better than I ever deserved and than I thought it would be. And anybody can do this. I'm an idiot. I'm nobody. Anybody can do this. So that's why, you know, I made a free course, and I'm making a 5-hour YouTuber course because I've figured out how to like run a YouTube channel with almost 500,000 subscribers now onto 5 hours a week. And there's no reason anybody else can't do that. Like there's no excuses. If you want to have a YouTube channel, if you want to try this, commit to it for at least a year, preferably like 3 years, and you're almost guaranteed success if you post weekly for 3 years. And then just learning the skills that can literally improve other people's lives and your own. I've gotten more confident, more outgoing. I've gained like valuable skills. I've gotten to work with amazing brands. I've got to meet random people who like came up to me and just said like, dude, you improved my life. And it's so cool. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who's like allowed me to do this. I just couldn't be more grateful. I guess I don't really have anything else to say. I'm gonna edit this and then like post it in the next couple hours. Thank you for watching. If you're thinking about YouTube, free course, or you can sign up for the waitlist for the 5-hour YouTuber course that's gonna be launching in a couple months. I'm gonna be as personally involved as I possibly can to really try to help more people be able to do this. I honestly think it's like one of the best jobs imaginable. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna put my room back together real quick.